Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Java class number 2. So in this video, I will going to show you how to install NetBeans and how to type a code. So basic, just watch this video carefully. Okay. So first you see that is development environment. First we need to install a develop environment. On the other hand, we are call it code editor. So here you see the based 10 Java IDs. There you work very easily and build your project very easily. Now I will going to show you today NetBeans. So NetBeans is very easy for learning to you, and NetBeans create a file and maybe I'm pretty sure it's actually very easy. That's why I choose this NetBeans. So how to install a NetBeans and how to download that, everything I clear in this video. And the last one, Java quick start, I will show you little bit Java code. Okay, so now let's move on how to download that. Okay, this is window, and now I'm going to open any browser for I download a NetBeans. So just type here and choose the first link and click on this download button. So here you see few packages. First one is for Windows, and you see this is a Linux and Mac. Each single operating system for every single link. So I will choose this link for this Windows, and the first link you need to click on this, and the download is start. Okay, so this file is too large, 475 MB. So this software download for need a more time. That's why I have already downloaded this software. Just I skip that and I install the software. Now let's move on. So this is a download. So you see this is Apache NetBeans which I downloaded. Now double click here and yes please. Close this window. And the next, and accept the license agreement, and the next, and here is the file path, and here this is a very important JDK21. Before I set up an environment, there I Java install it. So when you Java install it, then you need to set up a Java file path, and the Java file path is automatically detected this browser. Okay, so now we are next this one and the next. Okay, here you see installation completed successfully, then finish. Okay, you see the NetBeans shortcuts icon. Click on this. Just wait. Okay, maximize. And now we need to set up a new project. So first go to the file and create a new project. We need to select a Java application, and then next. First time it's need a time, which is everything is finding. When you create a next time a new project, then it's too easily and very quickly created on your project, because this application is configuring. Okay, first we need to set a project name. And here you see this is the project location, where is the file save, and this is a group ID, version, and this is a package. Now finish. Okay, everything is complete. Now we are going to make a code. So left hand side you see this is my project. So here you see already default project here just hello world. Okay, Now let's run it. Here you see hello world build success. Okay, if you change here anything, just type here, then I'm pretty sure you see here. Run this project. Look, the Unicoder Academy successful. So this video is enough for today, and the next video I will show you how to create a big project. Have a good day.